Hi Aries, how you doing? Welcome to my channel Lala Says. I owe you all an apology because I forgot y'all. Like I did it on Instagram, I did it on my Instagram page, and if you are not following me, please go to Lala underscore says, okay? SEYZ. There's also a Christmas gift on there, and it is going up until the 23rd. So if you want to see what it is, go to my channel. My Instagram page. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It'll be greatly appreciated. And don't forget, so Aries, since I haven't done a reading with you all, so there is, at least on YouTube, there's this website that I really like. It's called cafeastrology.com, alright? You need your time of birth, your location, and your date of birth, okay, Aries? And it will give you all of your chart placements. So, like, take me, for example. I did it, and I'm a sun and moon in Gemini. My Venus is in Aries, like you, and my rising sign is in Capricorn, okay? So, go ahead, go check it out when you have some free time. This reading is for you all, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, like me. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna get the overall energy, and this is your love reading because y'all love love. All right, so we have clearing. As true offering arises, it becomes easy to let go. You start to trust that more will always arrive. You shift from mine to God's. Such freedom, okay? Humility. Allow me, divine, to always accept the right assistance. I welcome your help in every way and delight in receiving it. So Aries, y'all might be going through something that's humbling you, okay? Reframe. This is happening for me, not to me. So some of you all may be getting a different perspective on how you think right now, and you may need to change your thinking. You may be thinking really negatively right now, okay? I do see the Five of Swords, and I heard, I keep hearing the word surrender. I also see the Ten of Cups, and I see the Magician. So right now it's like, whatever it is, Aries, I was about to say Gemini, whatever it is, Aries, whatever it is you're fighting, you don't want to fight it anymore. You just want to manifest your happiness, okay? But I will say, you can't manifest and have a negative mindset. So the Magician is usually looks like this. So whatever you manifest above, it's going to happen. So whatever you're manifesting in the 5D, it's going to happen in the 3D. Whatever you're thinking in your mind, it's going to happen in your reality. So watch your thinking at this time, okay, Aries? Holy Spirit didn't want me to touch these decks. The top card says we will be together again, and this other card at the top says denial. So there may be something about a relationship that you're in denial about right now, Aries. So take out a resonance for you, alright? And at the bottom of the set, you have express your love. So let's see what's going on. Right? Current energy for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising. Thank you. Oh, yes. Okay. We have let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. We have flirt, okay? We have let go of control issues, chemistry, and religious factors, okay? And we have engagements, the bottom of the deck. So let's see. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for Aries. So yeah, y'all could be feeling stuck right now, trying to make a decision. I was going to say trying to make a decision. Oh, yeah. I'll take the top. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, so some of y'all may not be in communication with your parents, so you gotta resonate. True love. This is a romance of a lifetime. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. And we have attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Yep, you're calling in your soulmate. At the bottom. Current energy for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Holy Spirit. Gosh, something messy. And you may feel like your life is a mess right now, Aries. Take it. Ooh. Right, we got honeymoon in reverse. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time. True love. Yeah. One more for Aries. Past life relationship is in reverse. You have known each other before. Okay. And you deserve love. You are lovable. Okay. So with this past life relationship in reverse, you may in honeymoon, you may feel like something is just over. Or you could have met someone new or something. Take out what resonates for you, Aries. Alright, let's see. Let's let your friends help you, Holy Spirit. Let your friends help you. I hurt my finger so bad. Okay. Yep, just like I said. You have the Five of Swords in the upright. You could have had a disagreement with someone. And you just feel left out in the cold, and you might need some help right now. You have the Ace of Pentacles. It's in reverse. So whatever family issue that you may be having, you may feel like, you might not want to give to it anymore, or you feel like or you may feel like you don't have enough to give. I hear empty. Yeah, you feel like you're getting your karma now with the Justice card. You feel like whatever offer you were going to give, I heard plan to give, you feel like it's going to be rejected. Alright, what's this, honeymoon, Holy Spirit? Thank you. Yep. You feel stuck. Eight of Swords. You feel bound. We have the Strength card here. Leo energy. Yeah. You're trying to find some strength. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay. I keep saying Gemini. I keep wanting to say Gemini. Are y'all with a Gemini or something? Yeah, if you have the Ace of Swords, so I'll take that. So you want a new beginning. You could be seeing 888 right now. We have the star card here. So something you've been praying for with this Page of Wands. Like a brand new start. You may want to go somewhere or something. Yeah. We have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. You may feel like you might not have enough money to do it. Or you don't want to be single. You don't want to be alone. Take how it resonates, okay? Yeah, you deserve love. This Nine of Pentacles. You don't wanna be by yourself. I don't know. You might have hurt your finger doing something. This thing is or what I did here before I started this reading is somebody do a lot of this. And it's like they point fingers at people. So I feel like there's no accountability for something, Aries, and it's caused you a lot of pain. My finger's been hurting all day, like in an excruciating pain. Ten of Cups at the bottom. What's this Five of Swords? Oh, God. Okay. Oh, Aries. Why? So we have the Seven of Swords. So, Aries, somebody felt like you were sneaky. Or you might be trying to sneak or sneak away for a new beginning. Yeah. Something that broke your heart and you trying to tell you the truth. You want to come out of this heartbreak, whatever this is. You just feel like, I just see somebody just going like this. Like, what's this Ace of Pentacles on the screen? I hear ashamed. You feel ashamed of something. Yeah. Yep. You feel like something's over with the death here. Okay? We have the Three of Wands in reverse. You feel like, someone turned their back on you. They're not waiting for you. And you miss them. With the Four of Cups. What's this Eight of Swords on the screen? What's this? Okay, so, thank you, Spirit. We have the Six of Cups in reverse. So you're stuck in the past about something. Something you were working on with this Eight of Pentacles. The Ace of Swords on the screen. Thank you. Yep. You were heavy regret about something. Something with this past life relationship. You wanted to start over, and now you're just in deep regret, and you realize this with the sun at the bottom. It seems like you are taking accountability. And whatever this accountability is hurting immensely. What's the Five of, oh my God. What's the Five of Swords? Jesus. I think these wanted to flip. What's this? Page of Wands. We have the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. You feel like you made a bad decision about something. Or something's not growing. It's like you want to do something. You wanted to go somewhere or something, but it's just not a good idea. I heard like a fight. You feel like you don't want to argue. You don't want to fight with somebody. Yeah, we're in a tower moment right now, Aries. What's this? Oh, we got the Empress in reverse. Wheel of Fortune. Oh, yeah. whoever this motherly figure was to you, it just kind of changed the course of whatever you were trying to do. Yeah, you're sorry. You did something behind somebody's back. You just, yeah. Here's the Page of Cups here. I'm not gonna take all of these. Yep. What's this Ace of Pentacles? It's the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. You don't want to be alone though. Nine of Pentacles. You want to come out. Eight of Swords. Okay. It seems like you're trying to find the strength because you want to come out of your head about whatever it is that you were trying to give. And you feel like it might not be much with this Ace of Pentacles, but it seems like you're going to move forward with it anyway. Any one more card. Thank you. Yep. Yeah. So, yeah, we have the Chariot. We have the Knight of Swords. Oh, you are running, honey. Running from a betrayal here. We have the Chariot, the Cancer energy, the Knight of Swords, and the Ten of Swords, with the Queen of Cups at the bottom. So, it's like you're trying to move away from some type of truth or some type of communication. Something happened here. Like you had like a difference or something with somebody. And now it's like you trying to run away from whatever this betrayal was to a Queen of Cups. I'm here. You just need nurturing or something right now. Like you just, what's this Eight of Swords? How do you see it? Queen of Cups again. You stuck on this Queen of Cups. Yep. But you feel like they close out this cycle. You feel like, yeah. King of Swords. Alright, so we have the World here. The King of Swords. Three of Cups in reverse. You might need to speak some type of truth about ending like a third party or something. Something that you don't want to, you're no longer working on. With this third party. Somebody is, you trying to let your guards down because whatever, just your plans are not going your way. You realizing that with the Sun here. Yep. You scared to take a risk. You with the Fool in reverse. That's your energy. You tired of being a player and being sneaky, and you want something to change. With this Empress in reverse, and you realize that we have the Tower. See. I just keep hearing bad decision or a bad investment. This could also have something to do with like a business deal or something. Like, or I hear agreement, like an agreement gone wrong or something. Let's see. What's this ace of shuffle? Oh yeah, we got the emperor here. That's you. What's this ace of wands? Yep, you waiting on something. You have the temperance card. Yeah, emperor. So you're waiting for something. And you're afraid. You see, we have the moon. Oh yeah. We have the moon and the high priestess in reverse. And the strength. It's something, it's like you don't have all the clarity about whatever this ace of swords is. It's almost like you're trying to heal yourself, but it's fear. And it's like you don't know how, but you're going to try to find the courage to do it with this strength card. Okay, let's see. It's like the more and more I go, the more and more my hand hurts. Oh, I can't even bend it. Release. Radical acceptance and surrender can help you let go. You have obsession and go slow. Okay. I'm going to shuffle this. Oh, God. My finger is killing me. It wasn't this bad. Okay. Current energy for Aries, Sun, Rising, Venus, Sun, current energy for Aries, Sun, Rising. Thank you. Support. Lean on your inner circle during this time. True love. This love is emotional, physical, and unconditional. We have obstacles. Unhealed wounds are blocking forward movement. Yeah. You gotta heal something first before you can, I just said it. Healing. And it came out crossing. Old childhood wounds need revisiting. Yeah, it's something you're unsure about in regards to your childhood or healing something from your childhood. Decision. It's time to make a decision about this relationship. Boundaries. Firm boundaries are needed now. Past life. It's crossing. Past life love. Your soul remembers this intense connection. Child, I can't make this stuff up if I tried. Stability. This relationship can stand the test of time. Vulnerability. You can be completely open with this person. Patience. Which I don't have. I don't need that stuff. Zero patience. Especially in traffic. Awakening. Someone is undergoing a spiritual transformation. Or they need to, because this high priestess is in reverse. So, who you don't trust, it is safe to trust in this situation. Denial. Well, Yeah. So you don't trust this Queen of Cups, but Spirit saying you're in denial. So whatever it is you're thinking about this Queen of Cups in your energy, take how it resonates, Aries. You're wrong. Somebody speaks to you through music. Your life isn't as together as it seems. You wish you could take your words back. I don't know what you said. I don't know what you did, but I don't react when people mention you. That's weird. Couldn't let you get close to me. You were the best thing in my life. I know I crossed the line. Yeah, boundaries here. So I wish I had treated you better. We need to let each other go. One more card for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Oh, I just got it. I just saw something. Whoever got their boundaries up. Oh, okay. So this Queen of Cups got their boundaries up toward you, and they don't trust you, Aries. That's what it is. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Spirit. It was my fault, but I blamed you, and I know I crossed the line. So here's the thing. At least the good thing is you're taking accountability, right? And it very well may be painful for you to admit whatever it is that you need to admit to yourself right now, Aries. But the first step is accountability. And if you're dealing with someone who's very loving and nurturing and understanding, the fact that, you may have done whatever you might have done to this person, the fact that I'm hearing for once, the fact that you are taking accountability for your actions speaks volumes. And that's just the first step. That's the first step to healing, is admitting your wrongs. So you are on the right path, but you can't be afraid to open up old wounds, because how are you going to learn? Because you're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over and over, and God is going to keep sending you people, different people with the same energy, until you learn the lesson that you are supposed to learn. You're gonna keep getting yourself in these situations because you're not learning anything. You just keep repeating the same cycle over and over and over and over. That's not healthy, and you're not gonna heal. And so you may need to, trust your friends and your family to guide you. Spirit says, let people help you. That's part of y'all problem. Y'all stubborn as fuck, and y'all think y'all got all the damn answers, and y'all don't know shit half of the time. Y'all just talk, just to hear yourself talk. And y'all not saying nothing. What are you doing? What is happening? Let people help you. Your pride and your ego is just out of this world. Sometimes, Aries, it really is. And I'm preaching to myself too, because I have my moments, okay? But there comes a time in everyone's life where you're not by yourself, and you have to change that mindset of I'm alone, I can do it, I'm going to do it, I don't need no help. No, everybody needs help. If you were intended to be alone on this earth, nobody would be around you. You would literally, God would just literally just made Adam and Adam in it. There would have been no Eve. There would be no other 7 billion other people surrounding you. You would literally be alone. So people are in your life for a reason, whether it's forever, whether it's for a season. It doesn't mean take advantage of them, but you gain things from people. You learn the lessons so that you can grow. If you don't grow, you just stay stagnant. And then when you have all this negative energy, guess what? You're manifesting it physically, and guess what that does? It manifests physical ailments, physical diseases, physical things start happening to you because your mindset is not changing. Period. You need to focus on healing. Whoever this person is that loves you, I hear unconditionally, you need to lean on that person. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay to just be like, I can't do this by myself. It's okay. I've had those moments where I'm just like, I literally cannot do this by myself. And so that's not the right word. I don't want it to come off that way, but I reach out to my friends, whether it's just for a conversation or I really need help with something. It's okay. All right, Aries. So I hope this helps. I just keep hearing it's okay. It's gonna be okay. Whatever you've done, that's why we had Jesus, right? We had Jesus to sacrifice himself for all of our sins. Nothing in the world is that bad to where you cannot get forgiveness. Give your life to Christ. Surrender. Surrender your ways that are toxic and unhealthy. And just focus on God and whatever it is. Lean on your friends and your family, but most importantly, the Holy Spirit to help see you through. Okay? That's all I got. I'm hungry. So, Aries, I'm telling you the truth. Linner, chicken dinner. I'll see y'all next time. Sorry I forgot about y'all. It's been crazy. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope this message resonated with you. And yeah, take it easy. Sleazy.